Song called Mexico. It's about the dope.
Owsley and Charlie, twins of the trade, come to the poet's room, talking about the problems of the leaf, and yes, it'll be back soon. There used to be times of gold and green coming up here from Mexico. Donde esté la planta, mi amigo del sol. But Mexico is under the thumb of a man we call Richard, and he's come to call himself King. Yeah, but he's a small-headed man, and he doesn't know a thing about how to deal. But you know how to deal. For you, there are millions of you now. I mean, it's not as if you were alone. There are brothers everywhere, just waiting for a toke on that gold. And God knows how far it can go. Your famous Uncle Charlie, for your Mexican smoke. You're a legend, Owsley, for your righteous dough. Ah, there were 500,000 people on the lawn, and we sang to the faces in the dawn. How long will that young race wait for the jailer's time to end? How long will the panther race wait for the iron bars to bend? No, 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 nobody wait. Nobody wait. Thank you. That's new. The words will come out in smut papers and stuff. Yeah, that too. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's Spanish. Write anything in Spanish and it sucks everybody in. It's like controlled passion. Everybody knows it. White Rabbit. Desafinado. The Brave Bulls. I mean, you know, that sucks the squares in. I don't know what they're going to play. I have to go back and ask. That's why I'm talking. Say Gray. Gray or Paulette. Possibly Paulette. Yeah, there he is.
Good, good.
Yeah. It's old Dayglow prick over there in the dark. You or your old lady. When we get, like, after a song, bring it down because it feeds back. We'll give you some Southern Comfort, which I'll shoot from between my front teeth.
Yes.
Otherwise, it's okay. Hey, it's really okay, though. He's doing a good job. That man's great.
Thank you.
You are, yeah. You haven't heard that before, have you? Knock your brains out.
Thank you.
Come back, baby.
On my baby, and now baby, please don't go. Well, I love you, child. I want the world to know. All right, baby, let's talk it over one more time, one more. This whole world will be one baby. Sit China, don't go away. Come back, baby. Let's talk it over one more time. So well made in sin. Come back, baby, try over again. Come back, baby, let's talk it over. Yeah, one more. baby. Oh, baby, please don't go. Well, I love you. I want the world to know. Yeah, come back, baby. Let's talk it over one more time.
What'd you do to my snare?
It applies, man. Maybe it does. One pill makes you larger and one makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. Chasing rabbits, and you know you're going to fall. Tell 'em a hookah smoking caterpillar has given you the call. It called Alice when she was just small. When the men on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, mushroom and your mind is moving low. Go ask Sally, I think she'll know. And logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead, and the white knight is talking backwards, and the red queen's off with her head. Burns faster in the wind. Burns the hair right off your fingers. Yeah, I guess it does still apply. There's a man going down tomorrow. Friends. In the middle of all your coldness.
Grace?
Yes, Gray.
We have somebody out here who's really badly hurt. Could you wait a minute?
What's her name and what's the thing?
We don't know. We're trying to find him. He's unconscious and really badly hurt.
What do you want done from here?
I don't know.
You don't know. You and me together can take care of it. All we know is that there's a guy out there who's kind of messed up. And if you see people coming through, maybe make a path. That's all we know so far, apparently. I don't know if that's him or if that's an agent. It's really hard to tell. He didn't look too messed
cool,
up to me.
Grace,
You
go
were
ahead.
running for president, sir.
Grace, go ahead.